Hello students, today we are going to see Standard 4 Maths. The topic is fractions. Fractions means dividing into many equal parts from a whole. Come, let's move on to the video session.
Unit 6 Fractions. Fractions means dividing the whole into a smaller portions. Introduction to natural fraction. Able to observe items being a part or parts of a whole. Raja bought a cake for his children. He has to make it 4 equal parts. Then he took a knife and slicked it into 4 equal parts. Then he gave it to his children. They had eaten happily. Look at the following pictures keenly. Flag, number rod, labels, chocolate, leaf, palm fruit. The given pictures are divided into equal parts. Can we see how many equal parts are divided? India flag 3, number rod 6, label 4, chocolate 8, leaf 2, palm fruit 3. See the given shapes. The given shapes are divided into equal parts. Circle has divided into 4 equal parts. Square has divided into 4 equal parts. Triangle has divided into 4 equal parts. And the hexagon has divided into 6 equal parts. Able to find the fractional part of a collection. Bala's father bought a color pencil box for him. There are 10 color pencils in that box. 2 red color, 2 green color, 2 violet, 2 orange and 2 black color pencils. So totally 10 pencils are there in the packet. Now we are going to write the fractions for these pencils. Here orange colored pencils fractions is 2 parts of a whole, that is 2 out of 10. So orange color is 2 color out of 10 colors. The fraction part of violet color pencils is 2 out of 10 colors. The fraction part of black color pencils is 2 out of 10. The fraction part of green color pencils is 2 out of 10. Next we are going to see some example sums. Priya bought half kg of beetroot that counts to 5 that are given below. Find the fractional part circled and uncircled beetroots. See, there are half kg beetroot, that is 5 beetroots are there. Now we are going to write the circled part of beetroot. The fractional part of circled beetroot is 3 beetroots are circled out of 5 beetroots. So we have to write 3 by 5. Then the fractional part of uncircled beetroot. So out of 5 beetroots, 2 beetroots are uncircled. So the fraction is 2 by 5. Write the fractional part for the pictures that is circled. So there were 7 pictures given in the first sum and 4 were circled. So we are going to write the fractional part for the circled fractions. So out of 7 flowers, 4 flowers are circled. So the fraction is 4 by 7. Out of 8 carrots, 5 carrots are circled. So the fraction for the circled part is 5 by 8. Now we are going to match the fractions. So out of 9 ice creams, 4 ice creams were striked. So the fraction for striked ice creams is 4 by 9. There are 7 balls. So 3 balls strike out. The strikeout fraction for balls is 3 by 9. There are 5 tins are there. Out of 5 tins, 2 tins were strike out. So the fraction for tins is 2 by 5. To identify the notation of fractions, Ramu and Akhil playing with their friends Rangan and Tangam. Ramu's mother had an apple, so she called Ramu and Akhil. She made it into 2 halves and gave it to them. She totally forget Rangan and Tangam. So she recollect the 2 pieces of apple from her son. Then she made it as 4 equal parts and gave it to them. An apple fruit brought by Ramu's mother is equal to 1. Here 1 means whole. 2 equal parts of an apple. First half given to Ramu, another half given to Akhil. If a whole is divided into 2 parts, then its denominator is 2. So, one apple, that is one whole, is divided into 2 wholes, 2 equal parts. A whole is divided into 2 equal parts. The divided parts is denominator. Here 1 by 2, which means 2 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. When Ramu mother collected the 2 equal parts of an apple from her sons and sliced it into once again 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts of an apple. The whole was divided into 4 equal parts. A part given to Ramu is 1 by 4. A part given to Akhil is 1 by 4. A part given to Rangan is 1 by 4. A part given to Tangam is 1 by 4. If the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, then its denominator is 4. In 1 by 4, 4 means denominator and 1 means numerator because the one apple was divided into 4 equal parts. So, that is 4 whole. So, we have to write 1 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. Denominator is the total number of parts that make up whole. Numerator represents the whole number of equal parts on a whole. There are 10 govas in a basket which are equal sized. Here the 10 govas makes a whole. So it is the denominator for 10 govas is equal to whole. If we take 4 govas, so the fraction is 4 by 10. Now 10 means denominator and 4 means numerator. Remaining fruits in the basket is equal to 6. We have to write 6 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. Numerator and denominator of different shapes. The square is divided into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts is said to be denominator. In this 4 parts, one portion is colored. So the colored one portion is numerator. So we can write this as 1 by 4. This circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So its denominator is 8. In the 8 parts colored, 3 parts are said to be numerator. So its numerator is 3. Now we can write it as 3 by 8. 3 slash 8. 3 by 8. The number above slash is numerator. The number below slash is denominator. Shade the parts according to the number and write the numerator and denominator. First sum 2 by 6. So hexagon has drawn. So two portions are shaded. So the numerator is 2, denominator is 6. Second one 3 by 4. Square has divided into 4 equal parts and 3 portions are shaded. So the numerator is 3, denominator is 4. Third one 5 by 10. So there were 10 equal blocks were given and 5 were shaded among them. So the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 10. Next one 1 by 4. A triangle has divided into 4 equal parts. One is shaded among them. So the numerator is 1, denominator is 4. Fifth one 3 by 8. A circle has divided into 8 equal parts and 3 portions are shaded. The numerator is 3, denominator is 8. Pick the picture that represents semi-portion. Among these given pictures, we have to take which shapes are equally divided. So, the triangle and multiplication symbol and circle is shaded equally. That is half. Second one, write appropriately which represent half, quarter, 3/4. First one, a square has divided into 2 equal parts. So we call it as a half. Next, a rectangle has divided into 4 equal parts and one portion is shaded. So we call it as a quarter. Third one, a parallelogram is shaded half. So we can write it as half. Fourth one, a star has divided into 4 equal parts and 3 portions are shaded. So we have to write 3/4. Write the fraction for the shaded portions of the given pictures. First one, circle. Circle has divided into 4 equal parts. One is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 4. Second one, rectangle. Rectangle has divided into 8 equal parts. 3 parts are shaded. So we write the fraction as 3 by 8. Third one, hexagon. Hexagon has divided into 6 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So we have to write 2 by 6 as fraction. In the next picture, there are 7 equal parts are given and 3 among them are shaded. So we can write 3 by 7 as a fraction. Next one, a rectangle has divided into 4 equal parts. So 2 parts are shaded. So we have to write 2 by 4 as a fraction. Shade the figure according to the fraction. 3 by 4. So in this, out of 4 equal portions, 3 parts to be shaded. Second one, 5 by 10. Out of 10 blocks, we have to shade 5 blocks. 1 by 8. Out of 8 blocks, we have to shade only 1 box. 2 by 6. Out of 6 equal parts, we have to shade 2 parts only. A fraction is how many parts of a whole we have. Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator is collected portions and denominator is divided portions. Observe the following pictures. A circle is divided into 4 equal parts. In these 4 parts, only one part is shaded. The shaded portion is fraction 1 by 4 or 1/4. Identify which one is greater or smaller. If you observe the pictures, you can notice that they are equally divided. So the given pictures are equally divided. In the first square, 4 equal parts. In the second square, 4 equal parts. In the first picture, one part is shaded, so its fraction is 1 by 4. So in the first box, only one portion shaded, so the fraction is 1 by 4. In the second picture, 2 parts are shaded, so its fraction is 2 by 4. In picture 2, the shaded portion is greater than picture 1. So in the picture 2, 2 portions are colored. In the picture 1, only one portion is colored. So the picture 2 is greater than the picture 1. That is 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Next, there were 2 pictures are given here. First picture shows 5 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. The second picture, 5 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. First picture's fraction is 2 by 5. Second picture's fraction is 3 by 5. Here, the shaded portion of the second picture is high, so the second picture is greater than the first. In other words, we can say picture 1 is smaller than picture 2. That is, 2 by 5 is lesser than 3 by 5.